Managing remote technical support often feels like an uphill battle before you even address the primary concern. You receive a support request from a customer, but instead of fixing the software, you find yourself navigating through frustrating connectivity barriers first. HelpWire was specifically engineered to eliminate these technical roadblocks for good. It is a streamlined remote desktop platform, allowing companies and individuals to manage computers across Windows, macOS, and Linux systems effortlessly. In this video, we will cover the initial setup, client management tools, the end-to-end remote session workflow, and the specific advanced features that position HelpWire as a top-tier choice for professional support technicians today. If you are curious about how one begins using HelpWire, the answer is that it is incredibly simple. Your journey begins by visiting the official HelpWire webpage, where one is required to set up a user account. Step number 1 requires setting up a user account. You have the option of linking a Google profile or providing a standard email address and password. During this setup sequence, you'll be guided to input your full name plus your business name. There's also a toggle to include a custom company logo. This serves as a vital detail because it brands the entire experience for your users, making the platform look like a native piece of your own company's infrastructure. Upon completing the sign-up, you arrive at the HelpWire web-based portal, which serves as your main operational office. The visual design is sparse and neat, which helps in minimizing potential distractions. Along the left margin, you will find a navigation bar containing several specific categories. These include clients for managing connections, a company page for inviting colleagues, an app center, and the account settings. To launch a physical remote connection, you must install the HelpWire Operator app. This software is found inside the App Center on your dashboard. It is a standalone tool built for Windows, macOS, and Linux, meaning you can help people regardless of which computer system you use. The developers clearly prioritized a user-friendly layout meant to get you productive fast, avoiding the need for clicking through dense settings or difficult menus. Managing your service queue becomes much more efficient when you utilize HelpWire's integrated client management portal. This centralized hub allows you to maintain comprehensive profiles for every person or organization you assist, including contact records and specific configuration preferences. After you register a new client, the platform provides a unique URL that you can distribute to them via your preferred channel. As soon as your client opens that link, a lightweight component installs on their system, which allows their workstation to surface in your administrative console. This grants you immediate visibility into their hardware name and operating system, ensuring you have the necessary context before initiating the session. This level of organization is vital when balancing several accounts, as it eliminates the need for introductory technical questions. Once connected, you have complete remote authorization to manage their desktop exactly as if you were physically present at their location. You can modify system settings, run diagnostic tools, or deploy software patches without needing the user to intervene at all. Additionally, the system automatically archives every interaction you have with a particular client for your future review. This persistent data log ensures that subsequent troubleshooting sessions are faster, since you have a roadmap of their technical environment. By removing the guesswork from remote assistance, you provide a more reliable and polished service for everyone involved. Alright, we'll look at how a session functions by tracking every single step of the process. Imagine a customer contacts you urgently because they're experiencing a technical issue. As the designated support technician, your workflow starts inside your HelpWire dashboard. You will choose the specific customer you need to help from your contact list, which opens up their account details. From that screen, you copy their individual connection link. This link serves as the foundation for the whole session, and you can send it to your customer through any method you choose, whether that's email, a chat app, or via phone. Once the customer gets the link and opens it, they're asked to download a tiny, lightweight client app. A significant benefit here is that the customer doesn't have to deal with a difficult installation or change their firewall configuration. They just open the application. After they start it up, you, the technician, will receive an alert in your dashboard. You then choose a button to ask for permission. This triggers a notification on the customer's desktop. The connection is strictly permission-based, meaning nothing occurs until the customer manually hits the Grant Access button on their side. This phase is vital for establishing trust, as it guarantees the customer remains in total control and is intentionally letting you into their computer. The moment they provide permission, you can hit the Connect button in your dashboard, and their screen will show up in your Operator app window. You now possess complete control to diagnose the problem, as if you were physically present. You can navigate the mouse, access files, run updates, and fix whatever's malfunctioning. The speed is remarkable. There's almost zero lag, so you can work efficiently without waiting for the display to refresh. Furthermore, if you must send them a file, like a driver or a fix, you can simply drag it directly into the session window and it shows up immediately on their side. It works both ways too. If they have reports or files you must check, you can grab them just as quickly. There are also several small features that provide a lot of value. For instance, if the solution needs admin rights on Windows, HelpWire allows you to increase permissions with the customer's consent, so you're never stuck halfway. Additionally, you can modify session quality if their network is slow, making sure the link stays solid. And since the chat is built right into the interface, you can clarify what you're doing without switching between apps or placing additional calls. HelpWire has recently rolled out a useful operator permissions feature that focuses on controlled access. If you're the account owner, you can decide which client folders are visible to each individual operator. The system works by limiting what every team member can see inside the dashboard. Because of that, employees only interact with the clients assigned to them, which lowers the chance of connecting to sensitive machines by mistake. It also keeps the interface simple by removing unnecessary folders from view. This kind of structured security and organization is typically restricted to paid plans in platforms like AnyDesk, allowing your workflow to stay orderly, secure, and private, while your team steadily grows. Honestly, after you try HelpWire, you really won't want to deal with the old way of handling remote support. It feels snappy and looks great, yet it packs all the heavy-duty features you actually need when things go wrong on a client's end. The whole experience is totally fluid, from sending over that first invite link to actually finishing the job without any weird glitches. It's pretty wild that this is totally free, especially since they don't hide any catches regarding how many devices or teammates you can add. If you're an IT professional, a local business owner, or the person everyone calls when their Wi-Fi breaks, HelpWire is one tool that actually lives up to the hype. Check out the description to get the sign-up link. Try it out and share your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.